It's that time of year again, boys and girls. Gambler 500.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Napoleon, like anyone can even know that.
Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering Adventures. Coming at you from somewhere east of Joshua Tree National Park in the desert out here with all my Gambler 500 friends. It's fall 2025 and it's Saturday morning. The only information we got is where we were supposed to camp. We have no idea where we're headed to today, where we'll end up tonight, but it's bound to be a good time. Let's take a look around. We got a Nissan Sentra out here. Lots of trucks and stuff, but there's some interesting rigs. We got a beat up van over here, kind of a beat up Honda Element over there. We got the awesome Jaguar over here, and my friend Polly and I brought the Forester, which we have nicknamed Forester Gump. Forester Gump. Tried out my tent for the first time here that my friend gave me. It's one of those kind of instant pop-up tents. It was okay. I should have brought better stakes. The ground is hard as a rock around here. Well, it's rocks. Camped right next to a mine of some sort, and there's just a ton of mining stuff around here. Went for a little walk this morning, got up at a little bit before 6, and a friend of mine is stuck right over there somewhere. Let's go check out the Jaguar. Awesome rig with a new motor. Well, junkyard motor. The rules are fast and loose here, but
fast and loose.
Morning.
We're not going anywhere right now.
We're not going anywhere. So yeah, I guess the rules are slow. But our leader just showed up, and it's almost 9 a.m. So we're gonna be driving at night for sure. Well, I mean, it gets dark at noon. Not quite. It's a trail. We've been testing out the skid plate pretty good. This thing actually seems to have pretty good clearance. And it hasn't let us down yet, but we just started. Go Subi.
That is so impressive what just a lift and bigger tires will do.
Yeah. A lift, bigger tires, and the absolute...
Yeah, at the end. Yeah. At the end, more full send right now.
Nice area.
Perfect all-wheel drive. That's a 50.
It's rough out here. All kinds of good trash down there. Steep here.
The biggest dog on earth.
Subaru ahead of us has got a hood that costs more than this whole rig. He's got front shocks that probably each cost more than this rig. I know his wheels cost more than this whole rig, but you know, you do what you can. Turned over the driving to Mr. Polly.
Hey.
And we're just enjoying the scenery out here. We did cross into Joshua Tree National Park. It's a government shutdown, so nobody collected anything from us. It's kind of fun traveling with a big group, but then also you stop a lot. But we're trying our little manifold hot dogs here. Oh, and the oil is good. Transmission fluid is good. It's working. A bundle of sticks. Well, it can't all be dirt. We're just getting to the next dirt. all these pricks.
Paid for by your fee dollars.
Your tax dollars at work. But the politicians aren't at work. Enjoy the views. We're on the four-wheel drive recommended or required road. I don't know which one it is, but
Okay, you're on a bolt now.
Watch your hand, watch your hand.
we're changing out VTEC stuff.
That's right.
I am not on the bolt, am I? That doesn't feel right.
Pull out again.
Make sure it's unloosened.
I'm just supervising.
Okay, just
The mountains are
move
blue.
back and forth for me to get it set.
There you go, the namesake of the park, the Joshua tree. Or if you're old enough, a U2 album. Yeah, if you search through my video history, I made a video of growing some of these. But the ones I have are about an inch and a half, 2 inches tall. I came over here to look to see if I could see any little baby ones at the bottom. I'm always curious how they look, because mine just look like a chive or something. I'm guessing that's a little one. Someday, maybe a couple years from now, it'll look like that. But they're kind of like Dr. Seuss trees. Dr. Seuss was a San Diego native, so he was likely inspired by these. Well, the engine cooked hot dogs turned out pretty good. Paulie devoured his. So we cooked these with the buns, and I have some other ones stuffed down in here without the buns. I've never cooked them with the buns before. As Willie Nelson says, we're on the road again. We got the Honda VTEC working again. Not the one in front of us, the orange Element, but had a rounded off bolt that turned a 30-minute job into a much longer job. The good news is that the hardest part of this trail is probably coming up, and we might be running out of sunlight. Shit. The Subaru is getting it. Our skid plates are paying off. Oh man, this thing is good. We got a student driver though, so. Pirate flag. That's a much better vantage point outside, but. Really nice canyon we're in. This thing goes way up and we're going way down. Like butter. Woo! Another gambler where we're coming in with the lights on. We never make it to camp before dark. There you go, come on. All right, now this way. Yeah, perfect. It's a beast! Pretty much a stock Ram here. Not too challenging, but you can see it doesn't have a whole lot of ground clearance in the front. Lots of room on this side. There you go. There you go. Hard, hard, hard. Oh, almost had it. Yeah, look at our cheap lights lighting up the sky. Not so much the trail though. Got it. Good morning from Gambler Camp, Saturday morning. We got crews over here picking up trash. This area we camped is really trashed out. Lots of stuff here. There's a big sign that says no shooting, no dumping, but nobody listens to it. I won the scepter on the last run, and the new scepter is under that sheet right there. So I'll show you that in a little bit. They'll be doing that in a couple hours maybe. Everyone seems to stay up late and party. We got a drone flying overhead, so somebody's videoing the whole thing. We're outside of Indio, California this morning.
Your window, begging for Lexan slider. Damn.
Woo!
That's scary.
There's the bowling ball.
The only thing I ask, door open from the inside. I don't want to have a lot of glass inside. It is what it is.
Have a blanket.
No one else will take it. We will.
There you go. Congrats to Tina. She won. This was awarded. There's no winners here. Everyone, you were awarded the scepter.
A little shaken.
And now we're doing the bowling ball through the window for the first person who gets to camp, because this is not a race, it's a rally. And a lot of times the people who are first to camp will complain about it and don't want to get a bowling ball through their window because they have an expensive car. But look at this thing. The flags are worth more than the car. This car was unstoppable though, but he 100% sends it. So he volunteered to lose a window. Yeah, you get to do your own. Alright, after the Sunday morning festivities, kind of every man for their own. Sometimes they have waypoints, sometimes they don't. But we took a little side trip to Bombay Beach on the east side of the Salton Sea. And what a place it is. Thriving community. Woo! There is some art stuff out here.
Oh, that pond?
And there's some kind of a ship over there. Yeah.
Oh, we definitely want to check out the pirate ship. Oh, I got some new art.
Got girls with selfie sticks. Salton Sea. All kinds of interesting stuff.
Whoa. Let me know if you see some zombie mud.
Yeah, I think anything that looks like it's been driven on is good. Don't go off the beaten path.
No.
This place is a muck hole. You can get stuck here so bad, and this stuff will corrode your stuff by the time you blink your eyes. Yeah, well, I don't know why no one else is driving out here, but we are. Higher.
Oh, I needed to air out those parts. Yeah. Whoa, this thing is out of control.
Living up here, fucking weather,
So much stuff to see here. Kind of semi-goth girls and everything. Scrap wood turned into kind of a ship.
Oh, there's a metro.
Yeah, metro. Metro of meth, of death. Yeah, it's a thriving metropolis.
Let me show you.
Containers. Old Thunderbirds. crap ton of bugs. See all those? Yeah. There's a cow on the roof. There's Def Leppard's tour bus.
Oh, we gotta get the egg house.
The egg house. Yeah, it's interesting here. But stop at the ski inn. Is that what it's called?
Ski in, yeah.
Stop at the ski inn. Ask for a Bloody Mary with horseradish. They're quite nice. Home again, home again. Subaru made it home. All right. It was a good gambler. We had a good time. This rig is capable. If you have any inkling of getting a Subaru, you want to do some sort of like off-road stuff, or you live in a climate where you might need all-wheel drive, highly recommend it. First time I've owned one, first time I've driven one like that. This thing went places I didn't think it could. So, and we didn't have any real issues with it. It's got a small transmission leak, which I kind of knew about. Had to add 4 ounces of transmission fluid, which probably only needed 2 ounces. And that's about it. That's all it really needed. And it will be up for sale soon. Probably sold by the time I get this video out, because I seem to sell these things fast. But gambler weekend, I like it. Check them out. They have them all over the US. I don't know if they're anywhere else. They might be. But I always have a good time. Good people. Craziness. Whatever you want to call it. But I don't know if you can tell from the video, I'm pretty tired. Ready for a shower, number one, and a nap. Maybe some food first, I guess, but that'll be it for me. If you're enjoying my content, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.